Folks, I want to welcome y'all to today's little shindig. We're rocking some pork ribs. We got these pork ribs from S&R, and so far I'm digging everything we get from S&R. S&R is on time when it comes to ordering on that grab mark. Yeah, you can order from Robinson's, but I don't know. It's just the process. You order from S&R, it's a smooth process. If the motorbike dude cancels because he can't fit all your stuff on the Scooby-Doo Mio, you just click reorder. They'll, you know, hey, who's up to bat next? It's on the way. So a very positive experience from ordering from S&R via the grab mark, right? So shout out to everybody at S&R. Shout out to my buddy Jeff, my grab rider who always brings everything. Man, you're awesome, dude. So anyhow, we're gonna throw these on the grill, folks. I want to thank y'all for joining us. I don't have no idea where this video is gonna go. I got 1, 2. Let me get a count over there. Ladies, how many ladies I got over there? 1, 2, 3. I got 3 Filipinas and 2 babies over there. So thanks for joining us. Oh yeah. Listen to them ribs on there, folks. Listen to them ribs. My goodness. I got this fire really hot. I'm telling you. Oh Lord, that was way back there. I gotta put my welding glove on. Hey boy, don't hit that tripod, man. Whoa, buddy, rode that motorbike plumb under that tripod. That was talent. Just a beautiful, hot, a little bit cloudy now, so it's kind of taking the sun out of action. A little bit cooler now. So I'm barbecuing early because it's always time to barbecue. I'm telling you. Now those ribs, I put them on the top rack because that charcoal was dry and it was hot. I threw an extra bag in there. I said, you know what? I'm cooking them on the top rack. It'll take them a little bit longer to cook, obviously, but I didn't want to put them down on the lower grate and burn them and charbroil them. So that's what I'm doing. Cooking on the Barrel Pro classic size smoker. But y'all know me. Most of the smoking takes a lot of work, a lot of energy. It takes a lot of time. So I haven't smoked in the longest time, but I use that piece of equipment right there as a barbecue grill pretty much every night or every other night. I do need to plan an event where we smoke some more meat, but again, it's all about time. And if you're a smoker, my hat's off to you, because I understand the true patience and the art and the science and the dedication it takes to smoke meat. Barbecuing, I mean, it's an art and a science as well, but it doesn't take you 8 or 10 or 12 hours to do it, right? So that's what we're doing today, folks. If you're not a subscriber, right there, hit that, so where's it at? Right there, right there. Hit that Overstay Road sign. Get on board my train. I certainly appreciate it. If you subscribe, I will dance at your next wedding. All I need is a first class ticket. I need a suite over at the Conrad nearest to your venue, and I will make that a round trip first class ticket. See the stress on Monday here. Folks, these 2 ladies respectfully declined to be on the video right now, but I said, hey, I'm a filmmaker. I'm a documentary filmmaker. All I did was swing the camera around, hit the record button. Fatima, can you move out of the way?
I always stay in here.
The fact that you're demonstrating that you can block all that background, I don't know if...
When you...
Never mind, baby.
Never
mind, baby. Oh yeah, that's nice and hot right there.
1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, proceed.
No, I gonna put it inside it. It's so hot.
Use a glove.
No! Oh, baby. Baby. Ooh, baby, you're so baby.
How's the food, ladies?
Yummy.
It's good, yummy?
Yeah.
All right, I got a yummy. Look at these beautiful ladies, my friends. My goodness. Beautiful babies. Thankful for these ribs right here. My goodness.